Alright, how you guys doing? This is Jeff from Captain's House of Fire and FireplaceRus.net. Going to do a quick video here of a new Napoleon electric fireplace, Travista 50. This guy here, as you can see, it's set up as like a corner unit with the side. You can have this as three-sided as well. Multicolor flames, so you can adjust the flame, color and intensity with the remote control. Plus it has ember bed lighting as well as canopy lighting, so you can change the colors and everything else, to give yourself a different mood. It's shown here with driftwood logs on the inside. This is the 50-inch model. It's also going to be available in the 60. And you can have this up to 10,000 BTUs and 3,000 watts for heating, which is nice to have. It's a brand new electric fireplace from Napoleon. It's the Travista 50 and Travista 60 in corner. Looks like a corner. So, any questions, you give us a call.